Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for home and garden transformations. Ready to transform your backyard into a stunning oasis? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we've got you covered. I'm going to share some essential tips that'll make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Imagine your friends and family admiring your beautiful outdoor space. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about grass. A lush green lawn is the foundation of any beautiful garden. It's the canvas on which you'll paint your garden masterpiece. It's the first thing people notice and sets the tone for the rest of your space. Make sure you mow your lawn regularly, but not too short. Cutting it too short can stress the grass and make it more susceptible to weeds and disease. Keep it about 2.5 to 4 centimeters in height. This height helps the grass retain moisture and stay healthy. Water it early in the morning to avoid evaporation, and don't forget to fertilize every 6 to 8 weeks. This ensures your grass gets the nutrients it needs to stay vibrant and green. Trust me, your grass will thank you. Now onto garden furniture. Good furniture can really elevate your outdoor space. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a comfortable and inviting area for you and your guests. Good furniture can really elevate your outdoor space. Think of it as an extension of your home, a place where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of your garden. Choose pieces that are weather resistant and low maintenance. This way, you won't have to worry about them getting damaged by the elements. Rattan or metal furniture is a great option. They're durable, stylish, and can withstand various weather conditions. And hey, don't be afraid to add some color with cushions and throws. These small touches can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your garden. They not only make your garden look fabulous, but also create a cozy atmosphere for those evening get-togethers. Imagine sitting outside, surrounded by beautiful decor, enjoying a warm summer night. Next up, ornaments. Garden ornaments can add personality and charm to your space. They reflect your style and can be a great conversation starter. Think about adding a bird bath, a statue, or even some decorative pots. These elements can bring life and movement to your garden. But remember, less is more. You don't want to overwhelm your space with too many decorations. You don't want your garden looking cluttered. A few well-placed ornaments can make a big impact without making the space feel crowded. Arrange them thoughtfully, and they'll become delightful focal points. These focal points can draw the eye and create a sense of harmony in your garden. And finally, lighting. Good lighting can completely transform your garden. It extends the usability of your space into the evening and adds a magical touch. Solar-powered lights are a fantastic option, eco-friendly and easy to install. They charge during the day and provide a beautiful glow at night. Place them along pathways or around seating areas to create a warm, inviting glow. This not only looks great, but also makes your garden safer to navigate at night. Fairy lights or lanterns can also add a magical touch for those summer nights. They create a whimsical atmosphere that's perfect for entertaining. So there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll have a garden that's not just beautiful, but also a joy to spend time in. Your garden will become a sanctuary where you can relax and unwind. Remember, the key is regular maintenance and a bit of creativity. Keep experimenting and don't be afraid to try new things. Now, get out there and start your garden makeover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your garden transformation stories in the comments below. See you next time.